So, welcome on Productronica booth in 2023 at the Koh Young environment. We are here to expose our latest products, and I'm currently in front of one of our new babies. It's called the conformal coating inspection. The Neptune C is really a new focus, and especially through the developments in e-vehicle and power electronics, the coating and isolation becomes really a topic. And as you can see, we're having here the inspection of the area and much more important also of the thickness. And as you can see here, it's just a board and it's covered with a transparent material. And it becomes more and more a quality aspect, how precise the whole thing is. As you can see, under UV, it's simply invisible. But at the end of the day, beside the area, the thickness is important, and therefore, for the isolation, high voltage isolation, when you talk about the high voltage battery management in automotive. But even more, we are focusing this year on the semicon business. In this area behind me, we are focusing on the new trends to get back the semicon productions and especially advanced packaging to Europe. And we all know from the news that there's a big investment, the CHIP Act and everything. And we are providing the next year's business by focusing on providing the know-how and the skills and the machines towards our markets. And Europe is gaining back the power of as a manufacturer in semicon, and we are providing machine for wafer bumping, VLP, advanced packaging, and of course, all around the semicon business. For us, the Productronica this year is an amazing show. We have been busy from the first day. There's a really high interest on high-end products. That's what we really appreciate from our long-term customers. They're having our SPI machines, which we have a next generation introduced here. We have another next generation of the Zenit 2, which this board, again, our previous generation, 22 seconds, the new generation, 12 seconds throughput. So it's a milestone in throughput and adapting all the needs, and not only the needs in Europe, also the needs on worldwide business for higher volume. On the round trip on the booth, we have a lot of customers who are interested to secure the quality. Beside the machine, we implement also additional applications in our KSMART world. KSMART is our software platform above all the machines. All data are collected in a database, and this database, I would call it really the database of the digital twins. Everybody talking about digitalization, but at the end of the day, it's much more. We have nearly every parameter of a board in our system. This allows us to really visualize the process, to control the process and enable operators to improve the quality, but also to reduce the bandwidth in the production environment. We all know that the shortage of people, the shortage of manpower, and the shortage of skills is the biggest burden in our industry. We cannot find the right people and not enough people. This kind of software enables people to upgrade the skills, to be able to control detailed and significant process improvement. And I think that's one of the empowerment of a good 3D data, which gives the precise ground space to analyze processes and communicate between machine to machine. And that's part of our product portfolio. Not just the machine who generates the data, it's also providing support and process visualization to help to keep the process on a maximum high level. And I would like to invite you to join us in a small journey around the booth with the new machines.